Hey there everyone, it is Kim Crumpus and I want to welcome you. If this is your first time here on my YouTube channel, hey, welcome. Glad you're with us. Make sure that you subscribe though if you are new, because you'll want to get notified whenever I put a trading video out. I'm a person of few words. These videos are typically short and to the point, and that's kind of how we trade. All right, let's go ahead, and today I want to talk about a specific trade that I took, and I'll give you the setup. And we'll go ahead and take a look at the charts. I'll see you on the other side. Okay, so what we're looking at is the dollar CAD now from Thursday, April 2nd. And I just want to talk you through and walk you through my planning process. I want to look at what did price do overnight. That's the first of the three questions that we ask. And I want to look at it from the beginning of the Tokyo session, which is right here. So I don't care about anything that happened yesterday. I don't care about anything to the left of the chart. It's irrelevant to me. But what I did see was this beautiful short, clear directional move short that was set up during the Asian session. London session traders may have tried to trade this, been stopped out. And then notice how price just started drifting upward. This little arrow, this white arrow here, is when I come onto the charts, 5 a.m. Pacific, 8 a.m. Eastern, and I start to look and see, okay, what's the plan for this morning? I knew that we had a red news event at 5:30, unemployment claims. I knew that that number would probably be a big number. So I was flat the market and just watched it move down on this one candle. But I noted that price action was in a range. So I always want to look at what's the read before the news, and does the news actually change the read? In this case, there was no trade on the actual news release itself, but there was a trade here, an RBO, a range breakout, at 5:41 a.m. And that's when I got into this trade. I entered this trade long at 5:41 a.m. and I had a 10 pip stop, which you can see was moved up here on the next candle. And on this candle right here is the 5:45 a.m. This one here is during the planning session. So I'm in the planning session. I have 20 pips locked on this trade, and I had put a limit all the way up here at, let's see, I went long at 41.95, and this was up at 42.80. All that to say, during the planning session, this was hit on the 6 a.m. candle at 6:13 a.m. Pacific, 9:13 Eastern. And this trade ended up netting me, while I was doing the planning session, 85 pips. So again, buying a range break to the upside. It closed just outside the range. On the next candle, I started to see acceleration upward. We were starting to see some moves across the board at this time. I moved my protective stop to lock in 20 just in case everything went to hell in a handbasket, so to say. And then once I began the planning session at 6 a.m., this candle just accelerated and blew up through yesterday's high. And I had a limit set up there at 42.80 and was taken out for plus 85 pips. We do these trades every day. Not all of them are this big, but lately, especially in the month of March, we just had a huge month of really big moves. I just want to thank you for listening, for taking out the time to watch this video and show you that once you have a trade plan, once you have a methodology that you can plan that's repeatable, duplicatable, and very simple to execute, the likelihood that you'll get into these big moves is greatly increased. Again, thank you for listening. If you have any questions, go ahead, email me at info@priceactiontradersinstitute.com. You can also follow me on Twitter at twitter.com/priceactionkim. And visit my website, priceactiontradersinstitute.com, because there's a lot of free videos out there. And also, just a reminder, if you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would be forever grateful if you subscribe. I'm getting up close to almost 1,000 subscribers, and I would really like to hit that number in the next couple weeks. All right, so thank you again. If you have any questions, I am more than happy to help you or answer any questions you might have. All right, have a great weekend. Talk to you soon.